RJ, what are you doing? What are you... Hey. You just made Drew's week.
Right?
What's up, RJ? She running good now?
It's running great.
How's our map doing?
Good.
Awesome.
Yeah, it's good. It's running a little rich, but idle's good. It doesn't die when I hit the gas. It's not leaking fuel.
We'll see if Derek can performance tune it again.
I was gonna say it definitely feels like it may have lost a little bit since we had
It
to fuck
totally
with it.
did. What's up, guys? How you doing? Today is Sunday. It is
The Lord's Day.
the RJ's day, and I don't even know what to say. I'm so burnt out right now.
I would have started working forever ago, but
You need a key?
I don't have a key still.
I'm gonna make you a key.
It's been 3 years,
I'm
Jim.
gonna make you a key, RJ.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make you a key.
Give me a
Let's go.
fucking key.
Come on. Let's go make you a key. Come on.
Alright.
Come on.
800 true value. Dun, 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 dun. In Wallingford.
Be responsible.
Yes.
Is he gonna miss fire?
Are we gonna make it
Is he gonna
out of
miss
this?
fire?
Oh.
Buddy, here's a trick. Wait. There we go. We're good. Awesome.
Man.
Nothing's wrong here, RJ. Everything is okay.
My gut says otherwise.
Oh, fuck.
Thanks for coming.
Push the damn button.
We killed it, man. I know.
Why does it say quantity 2?
What?
Got him. As Mario would say, woohoo!
Alright guys, so if you didn't realize, I just bought a damn lift. Okay, you guys are probably like, oh, you already told me about a lift. You're a dick, but this time I just showed you that I completely did it. Now let me explain myself. I was trying to make a bunch of mess ups work out, and it didn't. So we had to start from the very beginning. But you guys know the first time I tried to buy a lift, like 4 weeks ago, was that? I told you guys about one. I went to go pick it up, and they're like, oh yeah, by the way, it's on back order. So I didn't pick it up. And then I found another company, ended up basically happening the same thing. And then I found a company that was willing to give me a sponsored deal on a lift, which took a lot of money off, which of course I wanted that to happen.
and everybody knows when you get a sponsorship, the stuff never comes in fast.
We were trying to set it all up, and I was trying to make it happen fast, so I made up for my first screw up, and I ended up getting ghosted by the company. And I tried to make it work, and I waited a while, and it just didn't work. So we sucked it up, spent the extra money, and just bought the damn lift. I know it's turned into a meme at this point, but we need it. It would have saved me a lot of time and headache in the past couple weeks. I mean, I've been waiting to work on the Volkswagen until I get the lift because it'll just save me so much time, and it's gonna be really nice for a lot of the fab stuff for the FD and just life in general.
It's also gonna be easier to do the Miata swap too.
Now that we got the lift situation handled, it is officially handled. Hopefully it fucking comes in in less than 2 weeks. If I get a phone call tonight saying it's on back order, I'm gonna rage quit life. But the last thing that I've been trolling on is the E36. Why haven't I finished the damn E36? It's been so goddamn long. Now I made such good progress.
I know why.
In like 3 days, I like refreshed the engine. I put it in. I got supercharged on. It was like there, and then I got lazy.
How come?
Ordered the wrong stuff 3 times, so I waited.
You just asked me, why haven't you done it? And then I didn't get the
It's
answer.
rhetorical. So, did that. I ordered the wrong stuff like 3 times. So I was being ignorant. Wasted so much time that I needed a tune. Had to buy the injectors, a mask, but I was being lazy.
I'm learning this too right now because I asked you last time and you went, I don't want to talk about it.
Exactly. I don't. But so I had to spend all that. I waited forever to spend all that money on the MAF and injectors. I finally bought it. Then I was waiting for the tune. I just got the tune a couple days ago. But the problem is now. Want to hear the new problem that I'm a loser for? The company that I'm having tuning it wants to do a remote tune on it, so I have to download TeamViewer, which means I need Wi-Fi.
Oh,
and guess what I don't have down here?
This again, Wi-Fi.
I might have to trailer the damn car to my house just to tune it.
I have a better idea.
What?
You could just bring it to my work.
Dude, let's push it to Starbucks. We could tune it in the Starbucks parking lot.
That's kind of far.
I need Wi-Fi, and no, a hotspot on a phone it wouldn't be strong enough to work. So that's the new issue, and I'm really tempted to change up things on the E36, get it done quicker because I suck.
If only that Frontier guy would have just put cable in instead of being a big bitch.
All right, back on the nonsense. So me and RJ decided to go visit who?
Mike Jones.
DJ. We're gonna go down to DJ stop. So if you remember, for a while it took us for a really long time to diag why DJ's car wasn't running, and then the last thing we had to do It took us for a really long time. God, last thing it needed was ignition timing. That's all it was. And it's been like a month and no one's done it. So I'm gonna go down there and time his car for him. And so he could drive the damn thing. So sit down there. The way to do it. Does that mean if we get pulled over, we both get a ticket?
No, it means I'm gonna punch you in the dick.
Damn it.
Stop. I'm gonna do what Jimmy does to me every time he's in my car.
It's one giant trash can. Just don't even worry about it.
I need it.
What, a parking lot? That'd be nice.
Yeah. Cheap.
Cheap.
Oh, there's Dollar General over here?
DJ, you ready to fix this damn thing?
Oh, I am so ready to fix it. This for me?
Yeah.
Oh, good luck. I tried starting it and the battery's dead, so.
Oh my god, it looks like my car's.
It's pretty bad.
Guess what I finally actually just bought?
What'd you buy? A lift.
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
Yeah.
Congrats. That's what's up.
Well, it's gotta dry first, DJ.
And now we wait.
I am the car boss.
Mike, I'm taking your ground.
What are you doing?
Mike, I'm taking your ground. I'm gonna tow it.
Daily goes to DJ.
You just sit on one.
Oh my god.
There you go.
Now I got a wheelie over him.
You're gonna run him over?
I will. Should I run him over or wheel him?
Cook it.
Oh! You're done.
Oh, you're
My life.
You're done.
This is your life now.
This is my life now.
Just ate it.
I had to put a plug wire in between the coil pack and the plug so I can get a reading for the timing light. That's literally, this is the one freaking thing we needed to get this timed a month and a half ago.
Now SR's for setting the cam angle sensor or the ignition timing, the base ignition timing, there's marks on the crank.
And with the timing light, it fires on every first fire. And you can see the little marks on the crank. And the cam angle sensor is going to change our base timing. But first, we got to put it in timing mode. And so to get in time mode, this is what we have to do. We have to pull the GPS. Put it in timing mode to make it more accurate. We got to pull the TPS. We got to rev it 2 or 3 times. SR is like about 15 degrees, which is right about right there.
Base timing is set. Now we gotta put it all back together, make sure everything's tight, and it should be good to drive. That's all we needed for a month, DJ. What have you been doing for the last 2 hours?
I'm waiting for paint to dry.
So DJ has like a tucked fuse box, and we can't drive it until it's all dried up. A bracket for it.
No, we could zip tie it for the time being. If you want to do that.
I want to see she run. This thing hasn't moved in how long?
I know. Well, gotta button her up a little bit. Just a little.
Yeah, I swear you were replacing your oil pan or something at this point.
I am. It's a fresh oil pan. It's fresh. We're ready to go.
You ready to go?
We're ready to rock.
Yeah, this is kind of messing with my head to see this thing roll.
I'm back.
This thing literally sounds smoother than it ever did. It's weird.
Power steering finally.
Just don't kick my ECU, Jimmy.
Is this thing registered?
Yeah, as a Skyline.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's got my Skyline thingy, my bobber on it. Hello.
Your blow-off valve is not working.
Woo! That thing sounds crazy. She's running really well.
Alignment's really bad, but other than that, it feels very responsive. Like before it didn't, and the idle was always weird.
Dude, I'm hyped. Okay, that was a lot of boost.
I guess we're
Oh god.
22.
Don't boost that high.
So clearly the wastegate isn't working correctly because he just boosted
22.
like 22. Yeah, try to stay lower than that.
Well, I wanted to show you.
Damn, that thing sounds insane. I don't think DJ's car has ever ran this well. honestly, his ignition time was probably off this whole entire time. I never checked it because he said he got it done, but damn, I'm so pumped right now. Clearly you could hear his blow off valve is just not working, so we'll fix that, but for now it's whatever. Dude, it sounds amazing.
Yeah, it sounds pretty good. Might have a little exhaust leak, but
She sounds so smooth. I don't think it's ever ran this well.
no, it hasn't. It literally has not. Yeah, it's a little bit more motivating. Whoop. Gotta fix that boost though. That's bad news.
Dude, I am so happy.
I know, thank you, dude. This is awesome. I haven't drove this car.
I know, and I've
months.
missed you in this
Literally
car.
months.
Mike G, we're going home. Nice to see you, homie.
Pleasure's all mine.
Erica, psych. DJ.
Homie, thank you.
Wait, homie.
Thank you.
Guess what, RJ? Use a bitch, that's what. Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
This is really nice.
Alright guys, so it is late, but I didn't get too much done today, so I want to get something done on the FD, at least a little bit of progress. So, talked about it in the last video. Last thing is mounting the rack, and there's a lot of issues with that. I don't want to waste the time explaining it now. Go watch yesterday's video if you're interested in it, or we'll get back to it in the future. I have to make the pedestals for the rack, aka, you know, the mounts for the rack. And I'm not going to fully make them tonight, but I'm going to do an annoying part, and I'm going to cut them into shape, and I'm going to drill some holes for it, because that's going to suck. So, this piece is going to be perfect for the pedestals. I got this at Logan Steel, of course, and the width, the thickness, and everything is just perfect. So we're gonna cut what I need out of this and just start going from there. Now here's the other end. This is the factory one, and as you can see, it's very easy because it's just flat. And it's the same width, and it's just gonna be a through bolt. So my life is really easy with this piece. I'm only gonna have to cut out the shape for it, which is probably gonna be a triangle. I'm gonna cut it in square for now, and start drilling some holes to account for the threads right here. Here's the two rack pieces that I cut. They're way oversized and they're not even, but that's okay because we're gonna cut a lot out of them. So all we need is this to basically go on the end of one, and basically this is gonna sit on the subframe like right here, because we want it basically slammed at the rack. I'm gonna cut it so it kind of just sits like that. So we only have a little triangle piece there, because right now this would be way overbuilt, and this metal is completely thick enough to handle that. Well, a wild B Hall appears at 11 o'clock at night. What's up, B Hall? I didn't know you were showing up. Chilling. As you see, the bushing, the mount actually sits a little bit higher than where the bushing seats. So we actually have to put a spacer on the outside. So this metal happens to be the perfect thickness, because this is an old bushing, so it's already been fully compressed, and so this is actually perfect. So I'm gonna put basically a tab on here and here, weld them in, and then we're gonna drill the holes. Stock subframe for reference. Is it hot? I was gonna catch it. So we got our little pieces right here. And this is just gonna go just like that. Well guys, I think I got a bad thing of welding gas.
Yeah.
Yeah, that sucks. I just refilled this yesterday, and yeah. So look, this is what welds look like when you don't use shielding gas. Looks like asshole. I don't know if I'm gonna finish this tonight. I'm pissed.
I don't understand why.
I think we got a bad thing of gas. It happens every once in a while.
It's awful.
It's
Same
awful.
exact wire.
It literally feels. Well, listen, you can hear the gas. Same wire, and it just seems like nothing is happening. Well guys, it looks like the welding gas is no good. So tomorrow I have to go and exchange it for a good tank, which means I can't finish this because I don't want to start drilling holes and this break off and move. And you got the gist of it. Get this tacked up right there. Drill 2 holes. They only have to be through bolts because these are threaded. Cut this nice, cut around the rack, and there you go.
Tomorrow's Labor Day.
Tomorrow is Labor Day.
No gas.
Damn it. God damn it. Nah, I look like an asshole. This sucks. Okay. You fart?
It's the seat, bro.
Yeah, okay. So, things didn't work completely out with the rack mount, but it's okay. Today was a good day because why? I bought a damn lift, which is like, you guys are probably stoked, but also mad because you guys thought I was probably lying, but I was just trying to cover my own ass and things didn't work out. So we had to buy it today. And So that's great. So hopefully that shows up. And God, I don't know when. I don't want to promise anything because I'm at the mercy again at these damn companies looking like an asshole. So I'm so unhappy with this. But lift is ordered and DJ's car is running amazing, which is sick because now DJ's really happy and I wish we just did this weeks ago. But whatever. So Bial, is there anything else you want to mention?
Nah, man. I think we're good to go.
You're good to go?
Yeah.
Perfect. All right. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And Brian, tell them what's up.
Have a nice